Hi guys!
Hi!
Join me kasama ng aking bulaklak. Happy Sunday! I was dreaming of the past, and my heart was beating fast. I began to lose control, and I began to lose control. I didn't mean to hurt you, and I'm sorry that I made you cry. Oh no, I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm just a jealous girl. Come on.
I was spreading insecure. You might love me anymore. I was shivering inside. I was shivering inside. I need a man who are you.
Wow.
I'm sorry now I made you cry. Oh well, I don't want to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy.
Beautiful song, guys.
Oh yeah.
I didn't mean to hurt you, and I'm sorry that I made you cry. Oh no, I didn't want to hurt you. I'm just a jealous girl, a child.
Oh yeah.
I was trying to catch your eye, with all that you was trying to hide, and I was swallowing my pain, and I was swallowing my pain.
I need a man to honor you. I'm sorry now I made you cry.
Oh no.
Oh well, I didn't want to honor you. I'm just a jealous guy.
I'm just a jealous guy. I'm just a jealous guy.